mic mini receiver or any USB-C microphone plugged in. We're going to turn on the transmitter, and we do not see anything in the receiver side. So let's check out the main page. As you can see, the actual gain bar. If I turn on the mic 2, I put it to the side and go back into the setting of cog wireless mic, you notice it there. I am going to do a test. Record. As I turn my camera to the outside, I'm going to step outside, away from the DJI mic. Alright, so I'm going to stop the recording. I'm going to play back and place that into the video, and hopefully that will answer your question about microphones. If a Bluetooth and USB-C works out. I got one more test to do. Take a Bluetooth mic and take the mic mini. Put this outside and talk to the USB-C DJI mic adapter and see if you hear any sound from this. I know I could go into the camera and I could mute mic 1 right here and avoid that test. It is in the on state. Test 1, 2, 3. I am going to go outside and turn that back into the off position and go do that audio test for you. Test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I gave a 12 count. And here we are back in, and that should conclude the test and answer everything that you need to know about mics. That the USB-C and a wireless mic and the adapter are yet to be updated for what you are asking for. Have a great day. I hope this video was very helpful to you.